Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Unit 1, Activity 3. And for this one, we're looking at the concept of interrelationships. Um, so basically what this is how two or more events, whether they're human events or natural events, how they're related and how they relate to each other. To start, there's a good little first of all, they show you the four kinds of interrelationships: human, natural. And then what they do is they start by showing you two very simple graphs, two different interrelationships. And these are clickable. So if you click on them, they're going to give you the details of each graph. They're well done. Underneath that, these things come up once in a while through the course. They're called goal surveys. And what the goal survey does is it just helps you to check on yourself, basically. This isn't anything you do for me. This is all for you. And the closer you can come to a perfect success criteria by going yes, 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 yes down the side here, then the better, well, basically the better your mark is going to be in the end because you're covering all the success criteria. Okay, let's roll down into the action part of the activity. So here's a slideshow, a little, what do they call them? We'll call it a slideshow about interrelationships. When we move through this, what it's going to do is it's going to give you some examples about, and this is all clickable, about different kinds of interrelationships. Now, we get down to this 5-step interrelationship study. What I'm asking you to do is make notes on this if you want, even just screenshots onto a Word page. I said that in the announcements will work fine. So what we're going to do is to prove interrelationships, we're going to go back to the inquiry process and we're going to look at stage 3. And here we are down here, stage 3. Right here, interpreting and analyzing. And we're also doing stage 4 in this one, which is evaluating. So the assignment for activity 3, if we roll down, there's the interrelationship study. We roll down into consolidation. So what you're going to do for your hand in on this is you're going to do a risk interrelationship study by trying to link two natural events. So your product for this thing is going to be a 5-step interrelationship learning object. Okay, there it is right there. You're going to click on that. You're going to fill it out by picking one from column A and another event from column B. You notice that these line up. They're the same events in each column. Obviously, you're not going to pick the same thing from each column. It wouldn't make much sense to see what the relationship between a forest fire and a forest fire is. So you're going to pick one from each column. It can be random. You can, think about it for a couple seconds. But so what you're going to do is just follow up here carefully. It's going to ask you to do some web searches, see if there's any evidence to support any kind of interrelationship between your chosen hazards. Okay. Give me the links. We're looking for 4. 4 would be great. And then you're going to fill out, after you've done your research, fill out your interrelationship learning object. That's what you're going to hand in to me. Okay. Drop in the drop box and you'll be good to go. Okay, great. We'll see you in a couple days when we get on to activity 4. Have a good day.